You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Today we will talk exclusively about the cryptocurrency market. In the last few weeks, almost daily, we have been covering the topic that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission does not approve applications for the creation of Bitcoin ETFs. Also, we have emphasized that only this can act as the growth driver that will bring buyers back to the market. But why is it so important for the resumption of growth, which in the future may and even should end with the renewal of historical highs by most cryptocurrencies? Perhaps the answer is not obvious and even difficult for people who are not very familiar with financial markets and the banking system. Cryptocurrencies are primarily the currencies, which means they should perform the function of a payment instrument well. The effectiveness of this function requires deep integration into the banking system. We are talking about the possibility of using cryptocurrencies by the absolute majority of people. For example, in supermarkets, restaurants, and other stores. But despite the successful outcome of the trial between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which confirms the legality of the company's operations, banks and other financial giants are cautious in cooperating with representatives of the cryptocurrency market, thereby significantly slowing down progress. This is due to the fact that the largest financial organizations prefer to avoid attracting the attention of regulatory authorities. It's no secret that the administration of the current U.S. president is categorically opposed to the cryptocurrency market, hindering its development in every possible way. I do not undertake to talk about whether this is good or bad, but it is government regulation, which is more like an attempt at a total ban, that is the main deterrent for the cryptocurrency market. Simply put, before the green light is given, or at least the red light is turned off, it is not necessary to count on steady growth. And today, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission acts as such a traffic light. After all, the approval of an application for the creation of an investment fund is not only an opportunity for institutional investors to buy Bitcoin relatively reliably, but also a positive signal for the banking sector. It is probably difficult to dispute the fact that the largest U.S. banks have long been ready to work on the possibility of introducing tools for interacting with the cryptocurrency market. However, the speed and, most importantly, the scale of cryptocurrency penetration into the U.S. banking sector is extremely low. This is due to regulatory restrictions. Consequently, a change in the attitude of the U.S. government to the cryptocurrency market may open the doors to institutional investors. As you understand, it's not just about buying Bitcoin and not even so much about buying, but about investing in infrastructure. And that is why the question of when the green light will be turned on remains very important. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.